The diesel cycle interactive calculator analyzes thermodynamic properties and performance parameters for diesel engines. This calculator features a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate thermal efficiency from compression and cutoff ratios. Calculate net work output per cycle. Calculate all state properties. Calculate heat transfer. Calculate mean effective pressure. And calculate engine power output. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Thermal Efficiency from Compression and Cutoff Ratios. The input fields for this mode are Compression Ratio R, Cutoff Ratio RC, and Specific Heat Ratio Gamma. Additional modes require inputs like initial pressure P1 in kilopascals, initial volume V1 in liters, initial temperature T1 in Kelvin, air mass in kilograms, CV in kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin, engine speed in RPM, and number of cylinders. Let's calculate thermal efficiency using a compression ratio of 18, cutoff ratio of 2.5, and specific heat ratio of 1.4. After clicking Calculate, the result shows thermal efficiency ETA equals 0.6094, which is 60.94%. This high efficiency demonstrates the advantage of diesel engines' high compression ratios in converting heat energy to mechanical work. Find the link in the description below.